Yo guys, and welcome to another video, and today I've got a new fidget spinner. We're saying something about Dream 503, who's having some difficulties in what's it called, in his YouTube channel. Like, he can't upload. This just like a little say, let's go support him. Now let's get into the rest of the video. Okay, so after that little chat, here's the fidget spinner. We're gonna do fidget spinner to nose. Legit, if you have a fidget spinner, it feels so weird. Don't hurt, just feels weird. It feels so weird. There. Over to the music. When you try so hard that you don't succeed. Over to the music. Over to the music. On the nose! On the nose with him! Ah! My nose goes like, yeah, it's very strange. Ha 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 ha! Stay on my finger. I'm the best of all. No one's ever gonna beat me now. So we've done fidget spinner to nose. We're gonna do fidget spinner to ear. So let's get into that bit. Guys, if you're boxing fans, watch Anthony Joshua. He's just epic. But let's get into fidget spinner to the ear. You can hear something. Oh my god, my head feels so much smaller in this video. Okay, so now we've done it a couple of times. Over to the dramatic music. That didn't fall down. I still got it in my hand. Yeah. I was just faking that. Over to the dramatic music. We're going to do it so it's spinning like that. That was not a nice noise. Listen. Oh, that's so nice. It makes me feel so lightheaded. Ho, ho. Guys, I'm attempting the impossible. I'm having talking later. Do you wanna? No, is this green? I think it's green. That's green, isn't it? Greenish, whitish. Guys, I'm very sorry that the video like cut short there. It's because I got very rudely interrupted by Jacob giving me a phone call. And then let's say goodbye. Let's put some music over the last bit like I did in the last video. Watch this. Goodbye, my friend. Goodbye, my lover. Okay, so let's say bye to you guys that watch the video. Let's do a like target of what can you guys get? Let's almost hit the like target of 12. 10, 12. 15 likes. 15 likes, guys. I think you can smash it, son. So see you in the next video. Peace out. 15 likes. Sub if you're new. Sub if this. No. Yeah, if you're new, just sub. So let's peace out. 15 likes. Sub if you're new. Bye.